Are you on Lent, by the way?
Yeah.
Cheers to that. Wow, that was unflinching. What is up, everybody? We're hitting the streets of Bombay yet again to ask everybody how much protein they're consuming on the daily. And we are going to end with a small challenge where we offer $500 to anyone who can consume a raw egg shake. Let's dive right in. Hi, and who do we have here today?
Hi, I'm Radhika.
My name's Rajat Vandre.
I'm Vivek.
Rahul Bhai. Dennis.
I'm Ashi. Navya. Bhairavi.
I'm Anjali. Krithvi.
Matthew.
Viola. Michelle.
How much protein do you think you've consumed today?
30 grams still.
55 grams.
I don't know, like 10 gram or something.
100.
I think 60-70 grams.
I think about 150.
You consume 150 grams of protein a day?
Dal and pulses.
I don't get much protein.
No.
I require 500 grams.
You require 500 grams of protein.
500, I guess so. 50? I don't know.
Yeah, I have probably more than 100 grams of protein in a day for
More
sure.
than 100.
Yeah.
I take my proper protein intake.
25 something.
25 grams.
50,
50, 60?
Yeah, that's
You?
pretty good. Same, yeah.
Let's drop some facts. Most people think you need insane amounts of protein to build muscle, but that's just not true. Your body actually has a limit on how much protein it requires for building muscle. Research shows that you require anywhere from 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kg of your body weight. This is the sweet spot for people with regular or minimal physical activity. So if you weigh around 70 kilos, you need anywhere from 54 to 86 grams of protein, not 200 or 300 grams as most people probably think. What are you guys eating right now?
Cheesecake from Chantilly.
What is the most protein-rich food that you're gonna have today?
Tuna with Korean fried rice.
It's paneer and soya.
I had some boiled eggs and then I had some good vegetable soup and some salad.
I had some fruits in the morning.
It's like 1 katori dal, lunch and dinner, and then 1 cup sprouts for breakfast.
I take 1 scoop of protein post-workout, and before sleeping I take casein.
How much do you think a cup of dal has?
Like a small bowl must be 50.
50 grams of protein in a small bowl of dal.
I don't think the dal is only 50 grams though.
It's a very good point.
I mostly eat chicken and eggs, and maybe once in a week I'll have red meat also.
How much protein do you think ideally a person should be having each and every day?
It should be around 1 gram per body weight.
Yeah.
Just
Per-
to maintain that
per
kind
kilogram or pound?
of per kilogram, obviously. Yeah.
100 grams, 200 grams. I think 300 per day. 30 per day or
30.
30 per meal.
So how many meals would that
Like 3. 900.
90? Which school?
It should be in proportion to your weight.
Body weight.
125 grams. Depending on their diet, is it vegetarian or non-vegetarian? And also on the age.
It's not really dependent on the diet, it's more dependent on your body weight. And before you start to think that the only ways to get protein in your diet are to consume protein shakes and to have grilled chicken, there are also other ways to get protein, such as paneer, tofu, eggs, and Greek yogurt. Do you guys work out generally?
Yeah, I take the stairs sometimes.
It's just walking.
Just walking? Nothing?
I do nothing.
I hit the gym. In the evening I come for a walk, 10,000 steps.
Planning to work out like from tomorrow, like everybody
From tomorrow? Does tomorrow ever come?
Never.
Have you all ever tried like whey protein or supplements or any of that stuff?
Not at all.
Not yet.
No, but my mother does.
Your mother takes whey protein?
Yeah, she's like a total gym bro and shit.
Maybe a couple of like 3-4 times.
So I regularly switch my proteins, you know.
Got it.
Sometimes whey, then plant protein, casein.
And do you think that's like a natural supplement or it's like synthetic, like steroids?
I think so.
So?
I used to take protein and then I left the workout, I left everything, and now it's like I'm gaining like anything.
Because you took protein shake back then, now you're gaining weight.
Yeah, I think so. That's my.
I think it's natural because it has just like a normal amount of proteins.
Do you think whey is like steroids?
No, it's not like steroids.
right?
I don't know actually about anything about
opinion.
the protein.
Fair enough.
I think that's fine. A lot of people use it.
It's natural, it's not synthetic.
Maybe, yeah.
I think it's synthetic.
You think it's synthetic? Like steroids or like just synthetic?
Just synthetic.
Just synthetic.
My brother consumes protein. I
Okay.
mean,
Do you think it's like steroids?
no.
Or do you think it's unnatural in any way?
No.
If you're someone who works out frequently or lifts weight, your protein intake should range anywhere from 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilo of body weight. And for serious lifters, this can even go up to 2 grams per kilo of body weight. Okay, so we're gonna cap this interview off with a quick challenge. If you have a raw egg shake, you'll win $500.
Raw egg shake. I'm a
Yeah,
vegetarian.
haven't you? Oh, you're a vegetarian, so you don't have eggs?
Gonna have tuna with Korean fried rice.
I have to smell it first.
Yeah, go for it. Let's see.
Actually, I hate eggs. So
You'll win $500.
2 seconds later. Yeah, why not?
Yeah? One straight raw egg in a cup?
Yep.
You don't mind? Do you think she can do it?
I don't think she can do it.
All right. Will you try it? Are you on Lent, by the way?
Yeah.
Cheers to that.
That was good actually.
Wow. Not even flinching. Not bad. One of the better cocktails I've tried. Wow. Without a flinch.
Yeah.
Wow, that was unflinching. Damn, it's in. You struggled, but you got it down. Congratulations, you have won $500. What's your Google Pay? Let's get you some cash. Arnold, you have lived up to your name, I must truly say. Here's your 500. Done. Thank you guys. That is your well-earned $500. Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Well
much.
done.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, man. Here's your $500, well deserved. But here's where it gets interesting. Not having enough protein in your diet can make you feel sluggish, hurt your muscle growth, and even slow down recovery. On the flip side, eating more doesn't promise gain. It just gets converted to energy, or worse, gets stored as fat. So more protein isn't always better. It's about getting the right amount. So as you can see, protein education or nutrition education in India is currently still all over the place. But that's why you guys have us. I am on a mission to build health and wellness nutrition in India, and I hope I get to see you guys somewhere so you can participate in a challenge or one of our surveys. And yeah, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you like this type of content. It'll help support us and grow this channel. See you guys in the next one.